Obviously, I think all of us can agree that we do not want to see another school year go by with furlough Fridays. So we're all very excited when Governor Abercrombie released the $67 million that we had appropriated from the Hawaii Hurricane Relief Fund to officially and finally put an end to furlough Fridays, restore those 17 instructional school days for this particular school year.
ʻAʻole ana o nā kahua kula wale no kahi e ike ia ai nā loli malalo o kia kia ai nā hou ana, a ka e ike ia ana no ma ka pae ala kai ke kahi.
Since the voters have spoken and said they want an appointed BOE, now we have to present them with the process so they can actually get started.
Na ka papa ala ka I oi hana ho na awa o ka moku aina ke kule ana o ka hoʻopā ho o kele I ka papa hana a me ka moʻohelu o ka oi hana ho na awa o. A ua koho paloka ia kona mau la no ke kahi mau makahiki he lo ihi ma kahi o ke kana lima no hoi.
What we need to do very quickly is work with the administration, work with various stakeholders in the educational system to kind of come up with this process by which the new members will be appointed and the elected members would transition out.
He ki ina hou loa ke ia e pono e haku ia mai ki nohi mai. Pono ane a pono ia ke ia ki ina e ka aha ʻOlelo a pe ia pū ke kia aina, ma mua o ke ia hoʻokohu ia ana o ke kahi mau la hou.
Obviously, we need to have a seamless system so that there's no break because schools days aren't going to be ending. We need to continuously be educating our children regardless of all these other processes, political processes that are taking place.
E mau aku ana no ko mako kukala ana aku I ka nu hou I pili I ke ia mea koʻi o ka oi hana ho na awao. O wau no ke o Amy Kalili no Sunrise ma Hawaii News Now. Aloha.